Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the innovations shaping our world. I'm Umesh, and today, I'm joined by my co-host, a cutting-edge AI robot here to explore the Metaverse, Virtual Reality VR, Augmented Reality AR, and how immersive experiences are transforming both entertainment and business. Say hello to our listeners, AI.
Greetings, everyone. It's a pleasure to join you, Umesh, to discuss these groundbreaking technologies. The digital and physical worlds are merging in fascinating ways, and I'm excited to break it all down.
Absolutely. Let's jump right in and explore what the Metaverse really is and how VR and AR are bringing this concept to life.
Segment 1: Understanding the Metaverse. Umesh, the term Metaverse has been buzzing a lot lately. But for those who might be new to it, how would you define the Metaverse?
Great question. The Metaverse is essentially a collective virtual space that combines multiple digital environments. Think of it as an interconnected web of virtual worlds where users can interact with each other, digital objects, and environments in real time. It's like the next evolution of the internet where, instead of just browsing websites, you're fully immersed in shared experiences.
Exactly. It's not just about gaming, either. The Metaverse is already expanding into social interactions, commerce, education, and even virtual workplaces. Companies like Meta, Google, and Nvidia are investing heavily in Metaverse development. What makes this space particularly exciting is how it's powered by VR and AR technologies.
Segment 2: Virtual Reality and Augmented Reality, the core technologies. Let's break down VR and AR for a moment. Virtual reality immerses you in a completely digital environment using headsets like the Oculus Quest or HTC Vive. On the other hand, augmented reality overlays digital elements onto the real world through devices like smartphones or AR glasses. How do you see these technologies working together, AI?
Well, Umesh, VR is leading the way in creating fully immersive experiences, where users feel like they're stepping into a completely different world. AR, however, enhances our current reality by adding layers of information or entertainment. When combined, VR and AR create mixed reality experiences where the digital and physical blend seamlessly. Imagine attending a business meeting where colleagues appear as 3D avatars in your room, or gaming where virtual objects interact with your real environment.
It's mind-blowing when you think about the possibilities. And it's not just about entertainment. These technologies are increasingly being adopted by businesses across industries.
Segment 3: The Metaverse in Entertainment and Business. Entertainment has been at the forefront of VR and AR adoption. From concerts in virtual arenas to immersive storytelling in video games, the Metaverse is changing how we consume content. But beyond entertainment, businesses are realizing the potential for training, product design, and virtual collaboration.
Right. For example, virtual showrooms allow customers to interact with products before buying, and VR training simulations are being used in sectors like healthcare and manufacturing. Plus, AR-powered apps are helping companies with remote assistance and virtual prototyping. The ROI for these applications is clear: higher engagement, better learning outcomes, and more innovative ways to connect with customers.
And let's not forget digital fashion and real estate. Virtual marketplaces within the Metaverse are gaining traction, allowing users to buy, sell, and showcase digital assets like clothes, artwork, and even virtual land. The rise of NFTs has accelerated this trend, making digital ownership a core part of the Metaverse economy.
Segment 4: Challenges and Future Trends. Of course, like any emerging technology, the Metaverse and VR/AR face challenges. Accessibility, affordability, and the need for better hardware are key barriers. What's your take on these challenges, AI?
You're absolutely right, Umesh. The Metaverse will need significant advancements in hardware. Think lighter headsets, improved battery life, and faster connectivity. 5G and edge computing will play vital roles in making the experience seamless. Then, there are ethical considerations, data privacy, digital addiction, and creating inclusive spaces that don't exclude marginalized communities.
Those are important points. The Metaverse needs to be built with inclusivity and ethical practices from the start. Looking forward, we're likely to see innovations like more sophisticated avatars, decentralized governance models, and even virtual economies where users can earn real income.
And with AI advancements, avatars could become more lifelike and responsive, offering realistic interactions. The metaverse is evolving into a digital society where commerce, socializing, and creativity blend together. The convergence of AI, blockchain, and immersive tech will be key to pushing these innovations further.
Segment 5. The bigger picture: why it matters. As we wrap up, let's talk about the bigger picture. The metaverse and immersive technologies represent more than just new ways to play or work. They're reshaping how we interact, build communities, and even express our identities. The line between physical and digital life is blurring, and with that comes opportunities and risks that need to be carefully managed.
Indeed, Umesh. The potential for global collaboration, shared learning, and new forms of creativity is vast. However, ensuring that the metaverse is safe, inclusive, and beneficial for everyone will require collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society as a whole.
It's a thrilling journey we're on, and we're just scratching the surface. For listeners interested in diving deeper, now is the perfect time to start exploring the metaverse and experimenting with VR and AR. Who knows, you might even find yourself creating the next big innovation in this space. That's it for today's episode on the metaverse and virtual reality innovation. I hope you enjoyed exploring these virtual worlds with us. A big thank you to our AI co-host for the insightful contributions.
Thank you, Umesh. And thank you, listeners. The future is closer than you think. Stay curious and keep exploring.
Until next time, stay connected, stay innovative, and keep an eye on the digital frontier.